Hello to all of you, I am going to teach you how to make biscuits. The ingredients are very simple: butter, white sugar, brown sugar, flour, yeast, baking soda, eggs, chocolate chips, and a little salt. The materials we will need are a knife, blender, large bowl, measuring cup, small spoon, spatula, baking paper, tray, and an oven. To begin, we are going to put 230 grams of butter in a bowl. With a mixer, beat until the texture is creamy. Next, add a glass of brown sugar and a glass of white sugar. With the mixer, blend until the dough is homogeneous. Add 2 eggs to the mixture and beat. Then add 3 glasses of flour, a spoonful of yeast, another of bicarbonate, and a little salt. Mix everything very well with a mixer or a spatula and make encircling movements. At this point, I leave you free to add some topping. I have chosen chocolate chips. If you can't find any in the market, you can always cut a piece of a chocolate bar. Once mixed, put baking paper on a baking tray and with 2 spoons make small balls. Place them 3 or 4 centimeters apart. If you don't have baking paper, you can pat butter on the tray, but don't overdo it. Now bake in the oven for 5 minutes at 160 degrees. I challenge you to try them at home. Bye! Thank you!